The Google Nest Hub. A home management device made by, let me check. Google. Yeah. Google. Google. For all the people who only owns products from Amazon, it's basically the Alexa with the screen, but made by Google. Yeah, not the number. By the title of the video, you already know what the video is about, and both I and Top Gamer know what you were thinking. Well, obviously, when you ask your Google Nest about anything, it will find a Wikipedia article about it. Well, yeah, that's true, but there's this thing that lets you go to any website ever. Except those weird websites. Not that I have ever tried or anything. But before we do this, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video. When Top Gamer finally blows up. Loser. Let's get into how you could use this. Online emulators. Online emulators exist if you want to play a game without paying money, but they come with the risk of hacking your phone or laptop. Now you can enjoy the games for free, only much slower now the hackers have full control of your home. Yay. They might have the ability to track down and make your day bad by turning your lights on and off, but at least they don't have your phone information. Watch movies illegally, totally legally, wink wink, might pay the outrageous price of $14.99 to watch the B-movie, when you could watch Wasp film for free, with maybe a few viruses downloading to your machine. The rules of flying say that there is no way a wasp should be able to fly. Their wings are too small to get its little evil emo body out of the bed. The wasp, of course, flies anyway, because those rude emos don't care what we think is impossible. Do you like punk rock? Maybe not the Wasp film. Perhaps pay for the quality stuff? I guess don't watch the Wasp film is a lesson we should learn. The original has a funny guy in it. Scroll social media. You can watch YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, basically anything on the internet. Well, now finally is the time where you will be learning how to do this. Firstly, we say this. Hey Google, what is Bing? This will pop up a Wikipedia page about the Bing company. This is important to do. Click the name Wikipedia with the line under it. Click the Bing name next to the text stating they have a YouTube account. This will lead you to YouTube. Secondly, search up the username of the one who made this video on the YouTube search bar. Click the place saying links. Ignore the Twitch. Click the second link. It should be this one on screen. Now you successfully got into the Google search engine. Be careful and don't click anything you shouldn't. Thanks for watching this video made by Top Gamer 2000. Voiceover was made by me, Nintendo. Top Gamer made everything else here and exclusively found out all this and made it possible by making a link on his YouTube. This is not written by him to plug his content. Subscribe and is this supposed to say like? Oh, okay. Like and subscribe to him. And I definitely wasn't told to say any of this at all. Nintendo out. Bye.